How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you guys are all doing great. I just wanted to share my first sale in my brand new shop. I think I opened my shop a week ago or so. I have 12 products up and I just got my first sale. So I don't really have a lot of products on this shop, but what I think kind of helped me get this first sale was that I actually try to optimize my store as much as possible. As I explained in my previous video, I think it's important to try to fill out most of the information that Etsy requires. Try to optimize your store using a banner, a good profile picture, filling about the About Me page, and get all the policies that you are required to fill out. I think it's a seller policy or buyer's policy. Fill all those things up. So all of this stuff, I believe, helped me get this first sale because I try to make my store look legit, trustworthy, and all these things. So I'm not really an expert in Etsy, but I've been learning a lot from a few people and taking some courses. So I'm going to share some of these resources I've been using that have been really helping me learn a lot with working and selling on Etsy. So there's two channels that are really focused on Etsy. One is with this lady called Renee Christine. She does a lot of great, valuable interviews, tutorials with Etsy. So have a look at that. I've been learning a lot from her. Another one is Starla Moore. So I've been learning a lot from her. She has great guests as well, good interviews, good tutorials. And what I really like about her channel is that she has these, I think it's weekly or bi-weekly question and answer stuff. So I do go in there and I do ask questions, and she's really great in answering her subscribers' questions. So have a look at that one. Another place I've been getting a lot of great information is from Skillshare. So if you go on Skillshare, it's not much. I think it's like $100 per the whole year. You have a lot of great tutorials. Here we have all related to Etsy. So Etsy listings, building an Etsy shop, and how to fall in love with Etsy SEO. So you have a lot of content about Etsy, and it's not just related to Etsy. You can find all kinds of courses, tutorials, and great information here at Skillshare. So have a look at that. Another thing that's been really helping me is Etsy Rank, mostly to look for keywords and how I could optimize my shop. So if you link your shop with Etsy Rank, they'll tell you if there's spelling mistakes or if you're missing some key information on your store. So this is a great service to sign up to. It's free. There is a paid version, but I'm only using the free one. It's really been helping me a lot. Another one that I heard a lot about is Marmalade. Um, no, I haven't tried this one out yet. I think you do have to pay for this one, but it also helps you with SEO and keywords, and I've heard a lot of people strongly suggest this site. All right, last but not least, Etsy Success Podcast. Have a look at this. I've been learning a lot from this podcast. It's here. I have it on my iTunes app. So you might be able to access this from another podcast providers, but I have it here on iTunes. So that is it for today. I would love to hear if you guys have any resource you would like to share, or any channels I should check out, or other podcasts where I can learn from, or where you guys can learn from as well. All right, ladies and gentlemen, see you next time. Peace.